In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create community on Reddit. We'll go through the setup process from the Reddit home dashboard all the way to customizing the basics of your new community so you can get it ready for members to join and participate. To begin, go to your Reddit home dashboard. This is where you'll find the main navigation and the tools you need to start building a new space. Once you're there, look for the option that says Start a Community and click on it. This will open the community creation flow. Next, choose the topic or topics your community will be about. This helps Reddit understand the focus of your community and can also make it easier for the right audience to discover it. Try to pick topics that closely match what you want people to discuss, since this sets the tone early on. After that, decide what type of community you want to create. You'll usually have options such as public, private, or restricted. A public community is open for anyone to view and usually easier to grow. A private one is better if you want tighter control over who can access it. A restricted community can be a good middle ground where people may be able to view content, but posting permissions are more limited. Choose the option that best fits your goal. You'll also see a mature content toggle. If your community is intended for mature or adult content, turn that on. If it isn't, leave it off. It's important to set this correctly so expectations are clear and your community is categorized properly. Once those settings are in place, click. Next, to continue. Now you can enter your community name. Click into the community name field and type the name you want to use. Make it clear, recognizable, and relevant to the topic, because this is one of the first things people will notice. Then click into the description field and add a description. This is where you briefly explain what your community is for, what kind of posts belong there, and what members can expect. A good description helps attract the right people and reduces confusion later. After that, click on the base color option to change the community colors. This is a simple way to give your community its own look and make it feel more polished and intentional. Finally, you can also change the rules and the welcome guide. This is a very useful part of the setup because rules help set boundaries for behavior and posting, while the welcome guide helps new members understand how to get started in your community. Once you've completed these settings, your Reddit community will be much better prepared for a strong start.